video, we are going to be looking at some things that I would highly recommend from the Dollar Tree and some things that I would not recommend. So let's jump into the video. These scalloped containers were actually very surprising. I didn't know if they would really work for me or if I'd like them, but I think that they turned out amazing. These pails come in different colors, and I got these about a year ago, and I love this DIY with them. When I first saw these carpet squares, I knew I had to come up with something to use them for, and I use them in my laundry room and as a floor mat by the door. I also use them in my canning area in my pantry. I love these bins, and when I find them in white, I can't help but buy like a lot of them. This is what you'll see around my house now, these white bins. Dollar Tree now has a lot of really cool wall decals, and I decided to take these wall decals and kind of make it into some framed art for around my house. If you got your frames from Dollar Tree, you would have pretty art for less than $6. I also picked up a couple of these vases, and I think it looks really cool. I didn't know if I would really like this tablet stand or laptop stand, but I use it all the time now. I absolutely love it. When it comes to meal planning, this has been the best thing that we have ever tried. You write down for every day of the week, and voila. Cheers, this is for you. I use these bins all the time in my classroom for literally almost everything. I have mixed feelings about this. I really like the look of them, but they were really hard to close and they're really hard to get snacks out of them. I love these classy mugs. I use them almost every day, and don't they look so pretty? This DIY I was super excited to try, but we go through condiments a lot, and I don't think it was worth the hassle of putting everything into a different container and then having half empty containers in the back of my fridge anyway, but it sure looks nice. Decided to make a cleaning caddy with these, although I did choose out different sprays that kind of do all the same type of thing, so if I was going to do it again, I would choose different cleaners. So I have been told about this glass cleaner, but I didn't know just how amazing it was until I started using it, and wow, did it ever get clean. So I highly recommend doing that, especially if you don't like going into the car wash like myself, but you still want to see out your windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, I'm sure you will enjoy this one. See you in the next one. Bye!